Sorry, guys.
Gloria said I was getting a neck.
You're getting a neck massage?
Well, no, she was hurting her neck by looking at you sideways.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. It was my fault.
I think it's YouTube's fault.
It's always Grandma.
It's not my fault, Jeremy.
No, it's YouTube's fault.
Yeah, we're going to blame it on YouTube.
Yep.
So now what are you doing over there on the heat? You're heating up the eggs and...
So I heat up my milk and my cream and my vanilla. And typically I'd have like vanilla bean paste. That's always best. But I only have extract right now.
Okay.
So I put that in there, and once it boils, then I temper my eggs in. And then I can directly put it into ramekins.
Okay.
And bake.
Cool. Yeah. See, we're making this for her mom's birthday tomorrow.
But I'm looking for my ramekins.
But there's 2 here.
I need...
Wendy, do you know where the ramekins are?
I have an idea.
Oh, good. It's full screen. It'll be full screen until I go on YouTube, and then it's going to look where you have those black borders, but I don't care. I mean, at this point, I just want to get all the steps in.
I found one. Hold on.
Richard's saying, yum.
Thank you. Okay.
Richard said, drop a cut vanilla bean in there.
If I had them, I would.
Crafting from the heart. The apple don't fall far from the tree. Thanks, Laura.
I'm looking for something.
What are you looking for?
Like a pan, because I have to do a water bath.
Oh, she's got to do a water bath.
Oh, I do. I have to do a water bath.
It's down here underneath the rice maker, right here, Aubrey. It's going to make a lot of noise.
I love having a bakery chef in the family.
There's one under there.
All I said to her today when we were getting our nails done, I said, do you make creme brulee? And she goes, yeah. I went, huh.
I make it every day.
Well, at her work, yeah, because she's the, you're a pastry chef, right?
Yeah.
She's just washing that out real quick. Yes, please like the live.
We make coffee creme brulee.
You make coffee creme brulee?
Yeah. And then
Wow.
Steakhouse makes regular creme brulee.
Wow. So what's the difference? Richard said, happy birthday, Wendy. What's the difference between a coffee and a regular? What do you put? I mean, when do you put the coffee in? Like the milk?
Yes. So there's 2 different ways you can do it. You can use an extract and just put it in the milk when you boil it, and it'll steep it together.
Oh, okay.
Or, Aubrey, don't spill. Or you can put espresso beans in your milk and let them sit for overnight, and then you boil your milk.
Oh, okay.
And you can strain them, you can leave them in, or you can take them out, because it should have infused the milk by then.
Cool. That's good to know. I never heard of that coffee.
Do we have another ramekin?
We should. I don't know where it is, though.
Richard said he's about to hit the road. Tell Wendy I'll be calling her.
Okay.
Ooh.
Be careful.
Richard's going to join the live stream, guys.
And Gloria wants to know, is that similar to flan?
In a way, it's not as custardy.
It's not as dense.
Yeah, it's not as custardy. It's supposed to be more smooth. That's how I would explain it.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's... Oh.
But it's kind of like it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
In a way. It's
the
same procedure. You have to water bath.
But the top is different, right? Because that's like what, a sauce where you're going to use a...
Yes. So when you make flan, you actually put the caramel in.
Okay.
And it sets before you put the actual flan base in. Because we make that too. And then... once you stick it in the oven and it bakes, that's what dissolves the caramel and makes the sauce.
Okay.
As with creme brulee, you do it after.
Okay.
And it's more of like...
a topping?
It's a crust. It's a sugar crust.
Oh, I love
like
that.
Toffee.
We're making creme brulee heads.
Now, I don't know where it went.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Let's see.
It can't be far, but...